In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and selecting Bluetooth and device connection right away. Then click on Bluetooth and tap on Gray Switcher to activate it. Finally, select the device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you're ready, hit OK. And as you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!